What's up, guys? So many people have faced this problem of accessing ChatGPT from different locations, and I think this is a very crucial thing because ChatGPT is just a brand new technology that everybody wants to test out. Me as a YouTuber, I faced some difficulties trying to use ChatGPT when ChatGPT was launched, and this was simply because the location where I was found was simply out of range, so I could not access ChatGPT. So this is the fastest way of which you can get into ChatGPT without like spending a lot. So it would require you to spend a little bit of cash, but I promise you guys it is not that much. So using this website over here, ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is very cool, and I think you have to really try this ChatGPT stuff out because it's really mind-blowing. So to get started with this ChatGPT stuff, we need to get just two things done. First is logging on to ChatGPT's website, which is openai.com. Second, we have to create an account, and then third, we have to pass through a verification process. So these are the three main things we'll be doing throughout this tutorial. And the ones that I really found difficult was when passing through the verification process, where I was told that my location was not accepted, and that really killed my spirit, so I wouldn't lie you. And for this reason, I will guide you guys throughout the process of which you can create your own account in OpenAI without having problems about your location and passing through the verification processes without any problem. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And if you find this really appealing for you to share to your friends, share to as many friends as possible, because I bet you guys this technology here will help you so much more in your day-to-day activities. All right, so before you get started, the first thing you have to do is to go to openai.com. So openai.com is just the landing page or the landing website of this ChatGPT. And when you go to this website, what you have to do, like for instance, I'll just have to open the website on an incognito tab to create my account and do everything. So what I'll do here is just to come over here, I go to incognito, so I open in incognito. So the first thing I want to do is to go to ChatGPT's website, but I cannot do this because I am not in the location. So the first thing you have to do is to install VPN, which is, there are many free VPNs you can use, but the one I am currently using over here, as you guys can see from my plugins section over here, or sorry, extension sections over here on Chrome, I am currently using the BrowseSec VPN. And the BrowseSec VPN, I can highly recommend it to you guys to try it out. All what you have to do is just to come over here, you just type BrowseSec VPN, then you add Chrome extension. So when you add Chrome extension, what happens is it loads the Chrome extension part of the VPN in such a way that you can add it over, and it works directly on your web browser. The difference between having a VPN that runs on your web browser and a VPN that is kind of like installed on your device, it's kind of difficult, because when it's on your browser, everything you're working on with that specific browser that is your location can already be changed automatic, and then your IP address can be masked and every other thing. But we are using a VPN that is locally installed on your local device, which could be maybe your laptop, your phone, or your computer. You may face some problems with this. So what you have to do is just to click over here, and then you can go to the Chrome store and you add it over to your extensions. So the next thing is you are going over here to openai.com. So over here, this is where we are. So what I will search here is openai.com, and then when I go to openai.com, what happens is I fall on this landing page. So we want to create an account in this website. So what I'll do is I'll have to scroll down to where I have ChatGPT. So over down here, you can see here on the left, on the footer, we have ChatGPT. So what I have to do here is to click on this ChatGPT in such a way that it takes me to the chatbot, and then I'll have to sign up. So here I want to try ChatGPT, so I'll click on try ChatGPT, and over here OpenAI is trying to check if the site connection is secured for me, and then maybe I can pass through like the verification process. So everything is proceeding now. You have log in and sign up. Now guys, you don't have an account yet, so here you want to create an account. So creating an account here is what we want to do and have access to the account. So you have to click on login, sign up. So when you click on sign up, now it takes you to the sign up page where maybe I can enter my email address. Let me just use I cannot use this one because I created my account already with this, and it told me that I was out of location. So I'll just have to use a different email address, which is so this is my email. I'm not a robot. And then I have to like pass through the verification process. So I select where I can see a bicycle, I click on verify, and I'm verified. I click on continue, it takes me to the next page. So I'm to set my password here, so I just have to set my password, and then I click on continue. Now here they say wrong password. That means I already have an account, so I'm signing up instead of so we are signing up. I don't know if I have an account already with this email, but I'm not sure. So I click on continue. So password, let me try it again. Okay, so click on continue, and then here create your account. The user already exists, so I already have an account with this password. I'll just try logging in to see if I can okay, let's see. So with this, I'll still have to pass through the verification processes of which is needed. So it's checking my site connection and every other thing. So you will have to maybe verify, but if you are like creating your account the first time, you have to like verify your account to make sure that is your email verification, to make sure that you are really good. So OpenAI services are not available in your country. So this is what you officially get every time you're trying to log in onto OpenAI site. So now without the incognito browser, I'll try now to use this normal main browser here to get access to this chat. But as you can see already guys, I have logged into one of my accounts, so I'll just click on log out over here such that it takes me out. So you can see I've already been using ChatGPT, asking questions, generating even code for like website, React, Next.js, and all that. So I just want to log out of the chatbot such that now we can go through the creation process. Okay, so now we are logged out of OpenAI. So we are trying now to create a new account with OpenAI, and I'll use one of my emails to kind of create this account. I don't know if I have an email here that I can use, so let me just check. So over here I'll just use this email here to create it. So let me just go to Gmail because we will confirm our email. So I just want to open Gmail, and then I have Gmail open somewhere. Okay, as you can see here, they want us to enter our email address. So I'll just come over here, I'll copy this email here, and I'll insert the email over here. The site is still loading. I don't know why the network is still slow. I'm not a robot, so I will have to select this guy here, click on continue or verify, and then I click on continue. So the next thing that comes is I should create my password. So I'll create my password, and then I want to click on continue again, and then too many signups from same IP address. Oh my god, so this is getting weird. Oh my god, so already have too many signups from the same IP address. So I'm looking on how to resolve this. Okay, let me try logging in on my other account. Let's just see what happens. Okay, so the reason why we are facing all these problems is because I was working on a research process to really discover what is really working. Like, that is, how can we really crack this algorithm to get this going? But guys, with no further ado, I hope you did understand what is going on the behind the scenes. So we are just trying to verify, and it seems like OpenAI security is kind of tracing us out that maybe we have had multiple signups from the same IP address, and that is really weird. But I think if we can get through this to get to the verification process of the number, that is really fun, the fun part to do, because there is a way of doing that verification process. So we are just waiting on the website to kind of react. Okay, so now they have asked for my first name. So what I'll do is I'll just put Juven, and my last name, I'll put my last name, and I'll click on continue. Now they want me to select my like country over here, and then I should like choose my number. So what I'll do is here, now when you get to this particular place, you have to first of all check on what numbers are available, and the website I'm using for verification processes is smscodes.io. so smscodes.io is simply just a website that gives you the ability to verify like things within maybe the social network where you are working. So at this instance, we are verifying, like we want to get a legit number from this website to verify our account with it. So it would kind of require to spend a little bit of cash, but I promise you guys it's worth it, and it's not that much. So here you can see my balance is about $2.03, and when you get to this, you can check the link in the description of this video to sign up to this website for free, and they'll give you 5 cents to get started. So what we'll do here, we'll come to SMS verification, and we'll click on get code. So that is what we want to get a verification code. And from here now guys, this website here will give us a number to use. So over here we have this, so it loads the dashboard, and then we'll have to search for OpenAI because we are verifying for OpenAI. So I'll come over here, I'll just search OpenAI, and then I click find. It's kind of will synchronize and then show me where OpenAI is. I just have to click, and then I proceed through the verification process. So over here it shows the service name OpenAI. So phone number, from here I will select the country from which maybe you want to United States, and there's no United States here, so let's just take maybe United Kingdom over here. And then the price for this is 5 cents. So you see guys, it's not that expensive, so it's just 5 cents for you to get access to ChatGPT maybe for life. And then over here, this is the phone number we are to use over here. So I'll just have to like select all. I copy it into UK. Oh my god, this should be UK. We paste the number here, we eliminate 44, we say send code. So here we are using that number to get our verification code. So here the number, the code have been sent here, and then you just have to scroll down here, you click on get SMS, and this is the SMS that we got with the code. So you just have to select this code guys, you copy the code, you come over here, you paste the code here, and that is all. So when you place the code here, your verification process will kind of go through, and then you get verified on this website. So this is really the fun part of it guys, because just with 5 cents you're already having access to ChatGPT. And this is very good because most often there are times that things are not really available for us, maybe especially the dumbest parts of Africa, because I don't really know what these people think about us, but we always have to look for ways to have access to all these platforms. Like for me, I'm a YouTuber, and with these latest technologies I always have to do like reviews about what is happening or what is trending in the industry, and I kind of found it difficult. I dropped a short video about how you could get access to ChatGPT via Telegram, and about 2 days after I dropped the video both on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram, many people started messaging me that they couldn't have access to ChatGPT again. That was really weird. Alright guys, we just had access to ChatGPT right now, and over here you can start doing cool stuffs. For instance, just watch this. Okay, so let's just click on new, and here I just want to start typing. I just say hello, and let's see what the guy has to say. If you follow me so much more, oh, there's an error. Oh my god, a generate response. Okay, this was just the fun part of it, how you could get access to this website, because many people have really tried and failed. But I also want to give a shout out to my friend, my guy, who inspired me so much more to create this video course. And if you're liking this, or if you like just already feel excited, leave a like, drop your comment on what you think about ChatGPT on the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next video. But before we go, let's do some cool things again with ChatGPT. Alright guys,